We've all heard of vaccines, but what actually is in them and how do they work? Vaccines are important to our immunity as they provide protection against germs like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. The mRNA genetic material of germs, fragments, or whole dead germs are added to a vaccine, which is then typically injected into us. This can't cause a full infection and make us ill, but allows the body to locate the germ instead. The immune system can then recognize the germs as antigens and begin an immune response. White blood cells are sent in to defend the body cells. They produce small, specific proteins called antibodies, which attach to the antigen, preventing it from reproducing and spreading the infection around the body. Then large white blood cells, called phagocytes, can engulf and digest these antigens, breaking them down. The activation of the immune system can sometimes cause symptoms that make us feel under the weather, like a sore site of injection or general aches and pains, but this isn't caused by the contents of the vaccine, but the body's natural response instead. Our immune system has a very clever characteristic called memory, which helps protect us if the same antigen tries to infect us again. Once it has created an antibody in the first immune response, it can quickly produce them again and kill them if we encounter the germs for a second time. This stops it spreading before it makes us ill. They don't only protect those that receive them, though. If the majority of a population is immunized, then the disease cannot spread to those who cannot receive the vaccine. This is known as herd immunity. The more people who are vaccinated, the less the disease can spread and reproduce, and in theory, it can be eradicated. Vaccines have a number of things added that preserve and boost them. Most of these are already found in the body or in our food. Although the contents of vaccines are in tiny amounts that are tested to be safe for humans, some may cause allergic reactions or go against religious beliefs, such as egg and gelatin, so it's important to check with your health practitioner if you are concerned. Lastly, with the rise of the internet, there's also been an increase in the spread of misinformation. It is therefore a good idea to fact-check and determine how reliable a source is before believing it. Most importantly, if you don't know, then ask a qualified health practitioner for more details and resources. Thank you for watching. Below are the sources for the information provided in this video and extra resources to support those who may be affected by it.
Created using Powtoon.